Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a lip swatch and review of the Rimmel Stay Satin Liquid Lipsticks. So if you guys want to hear about these and see what they look like on my lips, then keep watching. These are the Rimmel Stay Satin Liquid Lipsticks. They are amazing. I have 5. These retail for anywhere between $4.97 to $5.99. $4.97 is the cheapest, and that is at Walmart. Obviously, go to Walmart for your Rimmel products because they're just super cheap there. At CVS, they are pricier, but I feel like everything at CVS is expensive. So definitely go to Walmart for all your Rimmel needs if you guys are into Rimmel makeup. I have just been absolutely loving these liquid lipsticks. There are 14 shades in the entire Stay Satin collection. They range from a super nude shade all the way down to, like, I don't remember if it's like a more of like a bluey, like navy blue, or a black, but a really dark color. So they have some fun colors in the collection. There's some like fun pinks, reds, there's even like a really true purple. I obviously stick to the more wearable colors because that is just what I like. But I have been loving these. They're honestly like one of the best drugstore liquid lipsticks out there. These are really long lasting. They're really comfortable. They dry down to just like a nice matte finish. It's nothing like too drying, which is really, really nice, that I really like. And I haven't really found them to be patchy either. They have a really, really nice doe foot applicator. I'll show you guys that really quick. It's just really flat, which I kind of like because the edges you can really get precise with your like lip shape and all that stuff. And if you want to overline or anything like that, the doe foot is really good on this. So let's get on to the lip swatches. First shade I'm starting out with is Psych, and this is just a really pretty pinky nude shade. Psych is also the lightest shade in my little Stay Satin collection. Next shade we have is Shoulder Pads, and this is just a really pretty peachy nude color. Next up we have the shade Scrunchy, and this is just like a really pretty pinky shade, like a magenta, I guess you would describe it as. Next up we have Obsession, and this just to me is like an electric coral shade. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, what kind of shade it is. And last we have a Cow, which is a really pretty berry color. And that is it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!